Welcome to the 5th floor of Palais des Îles. We're on Boulevard de la Croisette in Cannes, and we're about to tour a 2-bedroom apartment right next door to the luxurious 5-star Hotel Martinez, directly across the road from us. This apartment has one master bedroom with an office that functions as a second bedroom. We've got a bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, and laundry that separates those two spaces. And we've got this fantastic terrace here with a beautiful view of the sea that you'll be able to see right here behind me. Being directly across the street from the Hotel Martinez means we've got amazing star watching during the Festival of Film. It also means we're at a hop, skip, and not even a jump from one of the best Michelin star restaurants world cuisine has to offer, and only a moment away from the best sundowner cocktails that the Côte d'Azur has to offer. Please enjoy the tour. Let us know if you have any comments or questions. Get in touch to book a viewing just as soon as you can. I'm Chris McGinnis with Finding Country French Riviera, and I can't wait to see you here.